293, routine number 293. It's a novice Petite small group tap routine. This is Singing in the Rain.
I count the spiders on the wall. I count the cobwebs.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain. Listen. In the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun is in my heart and I am ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile upon my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, I'm singing in the rain.
And that was Singing in the Rain.